Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bahria College's PNET. I am Salima Raza, your chemistry teacher, class 10, Federal Board. The chapter is Acids, Bases and Salt. It is our third lecture of chapter 10. The topic: self-ionization of water, ionization constant for water. Our learning objectives are, at the end of this period, students will be able to write the self-ionization equation of water and write ionization constant of water. Self-ionization of water. Here you see the definition of ionization of water. Water molecules have a tendency to fall apart or dissociate. Dear students, dissociate means to separate or disconnect from, which you can see in the given example, where two water molecules close together and attract each other. A water molecule that donates a proton becomes a negatively charged hydroxide ion, and the other water molecule which gains the proton becomes positively charged hydronium ion, which you see in the product side. Dear students, water molecules are highly polar. The collision between water molecules are energetic enough to transfer a proton from one water molecule to another. To explain this, I have shown you a model of water molecule with the help of which we will understand the attraction between water molecule, as a result formation of hydronium and hydroxide ion. If you see in this picture, in the first step, two water molecules come close together and both are attract each other. After some time, one water molecule attracts one hydrogen from the other molecule and becomes hydronium ion, and the other water molecule releases its hydrogen ion and becomes hydroxide ion, as you see in this picture. A water molecule that donates or loses a proton becomes a negatively charged hydroxide ion or OH ion. Other molecule which gains or accepts a proton becomes positively charged hydronium ion. You can write this in the form of equation as I write 2H2O is the reactant side and H3O and OH is the product side. The reaction in which two water molecules produce ion is called as the self-ionization of water. Dear students, as you know, water is a weak electrolyte. The self-ionization of water, to a very small extent, we can write it concentration of H ion equals to the concentration of OH ion, and both becomes 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7 mole. Equilibrium constant expression for self-ionization of water. Dear student, we can write the equilibrium constant expression with the help of given equation, in which we have H ion and OH ion in the product side and H2O in the reactant side. After writing the equation, we can see that Kc equals to product of the concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. Here you see the square brackets. Square bracket is showing the concentration sign. Since H2O is a weak electrolyte, so the concentration of H2O will remain constant. So we can write it as Kc multiplied by concentration of H2O will be equal to concentration of H ion multiplied by concentration of OH ion. Dear student, this expression Kc multiplied by H2O can be written as Kw, which is called ionization constant for water, the value of which can be written with the help of above equation as Kw equals to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7, which is the concentration of H ion, and 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7, which is the concentration of OH ion. And after multiplying both, we get 1 into 10 raised to power minus 14, which is ionization constant for water and denoted by Kw. Dear students, now we will see the importance of ionization constant. Kw is temperature dependent. in any aqueous solution at 25 degrees centigrade, no matter what does it contain. The product of H ion concentration and OH ion concentration is always equal to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 14. This means that if concentration of H ion increases, the OH ion must decrease, so that the product of the two is still 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 14. So we can say when H ion concentration is greater than 7, so the solution will be acidic. In case of concentration less than minus 7, the solution is basic, which we have shown in this example. As you see in my examples, I have given you two cases. In first case, I have shown that if the concentration of H ion is given, we can directly calculate the solution is acidic or basic, and there is no need to put the formula, as I write in the first case. In this case, concentration of H ion equals to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 6 molar, which is greater than 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 7 molar. So we can say the solution is acidic. In the second case, you see that concentration of OH ion is given. In this case, we will calculate the solution is basic with the help of formula, which is Kw equals to product of concentration of H ion and OH ion. By putting the value of all these quantities, we have 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 14 equals to concentration of H ion multiplied by 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 5, which is the value of OH ion in this question. After solving the problem, we get 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 9, which is smaller than 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 7, which shows the solution is basic. Dear students, now I am giving you home task. You should write the equation for the self-ionization of water and write the equation for ionization constant of water for your practice. Okay students, my topic is completed. We will meet in our next lecture. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.